Hey guys, I've got some Prima lashes and I'm just going to show you step by step how I apply lashes, how I make them blend really easy. This is sponsored by Prima Lash. I'm just going to show you guys how I pop them on. First step is applying some eyeshadow to the lash line. Take a dark matte brown colour and I'm going to take this on a liner brush. Line my lash line so as close as you can get to the lash line. So then I'm going to take a matte medium brown eyeshadow and I'm just going to take this on a flat brush and I'm just going to buff it right on top of it, and this should just blend out all the edges so it doesn't look harsh. It actually does a little set online as well. So we have your applicator, your full lash curler, your beauty scissors and your straight tweezers. Always recommend to curl your lashes. So all you want to do is come sideways inwards, so come in like that to get all your lashes in, look straight forward and just, I like to press it down a couple of times and bounce it up and down like that. And then when you take it off, you can just see the lift in my lashes. So when you put in your lashes on any sort of lash, they'll look longer and more lifted. So it really curls them. And then take it off. Makes my lashes look nice and lifted. I've got very straight lashes. If I just popped my mascara and my lashes on with my straight lashes, it would not curl as much. If you like your curl on your fake lashes, definitely use an eyelash curler. Next step is an easy one, mascara. So I'm just going to pop it on, focusing this on the end of my lashes rather than the root of them. So the first lashes I'll be popping on are these ones. These are the Neo Eco lashes. So these are 100% vegan in the style N107. These are the lashes here. You want to make sure you're curving the tray round and then just literally with your thumb and your finger just taking them off very gently. So from the middle. That's how you don't rip your lashes either. Next is measuring your lash. You want to make sure it literally is not hanging down the eye. You want to make sure it's coming up and out, and as you can see there, it's kind of dragging down my eye here. So I'm just going to trim off the end part here. Taking the scissors, I'm going to take like 2 segments off. When popping your glue on, make sure you're popping it on the inside of the lash band and not the top. Get your mirror, keep your head where it is, look with your eyes down into your mirror, come from up above and just place it on the middle. And then, there we go. So then we want to put on the inner corner. So just tapping that on, and then the outer corner. So I'm just pressing it just inwards so it just goes nice onto the skin. And that's what the lash looks like when it's on. So as you can see, because I've curled my lashes, it really does lift the eye and you can see the curliness of the lashes. And this is what they both look like on. So really nice everyday lash. It's got a really nice length to it, not too thick. Pop some bottom lash mascara on, guys. Next, I've popped on the Professional Dainty range that Prima Lash does. These are in the style D55. These lashes are definitely thicker than the last ones, and they've got a really nice shape to them where they go longer than shorter, then longer than shorter to give a really nice effect on the eye. So you can see what it looks like. These would be amazing with eyeshadow on as well. Prima Lash just came out with these new lashes, Easy Lash Pre-Cut Lashes E303. So as you can see, they're in segments, so they're not just one whole lash band. There's also multiple ways you can use these lashes and they're very customizable, so you can put on all of them. I've just not put on the middle one, so you can see it's more like a half lash for me. So you can have them really spaced out, or you can have them like really next to each other to make them look fuller. Next we have the Demi Lash collection in the style Fling. These are more your half lashes, so they're very trendy right now. I like the fact that it goes thicker on the outer corner. You don't have to trim them really because they're like a half lash kind of thing, so they are shorter. These are super easy to put on because you don't need to trim them. You can literally just pop them straight on and they give that nice lifted effect. I think these are one of my favourites. Like, I think this is like going to be one of my go-to lash. Oh my god, the style Fling is definitely it for me. I absolutely love this. The next pair I've popped on are from their luxury mink range in the style Smoked. These are one of my favourite lashes and I'm pretty sure you guys have already seen me use them in my YouTube videos. They're not too intense with or without eyeshadow. They give you a really nice customizable bit where it's like it's really thin on the inner bit and then it goes thick on the outer, so you can trim off the thickness of the outside and just have a little bit of thickness, or you can do the opposite like what I do, trim the thinner part here until like the middle of your eye. And I definitely recommend you guys try these out, especially if you've got like smaller eyes. These are thick lashes, they're not too long either, so they definitely are that really nice in between lash. Next we have their professional under lash in 702. So these are in segments as well. This makes it easy to apply and just to customize how you're wanting them. But if you do like your lashes to look a little bit thicker underneath, you can just see it's very subtle, but it definitely thickens them up. I've just popped one on the outer, one in the middle, and then one in between. I would definitely recommend putting them on with tweezers. I'll get the eyelash, go underneath my lashes, and it's as easy as that. And those are all the styles that I've got to show you guys today, so you can find these all on primalash.co.uk. I also have a discount code, 30% off if you use the code Blendbyhan30. I definitely go check them out. They've got so many more styles online as well, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this little lash try on video. I'll see you guys in the next one.
Thank you, Lord, for all you do for me, for all you've done for me, for how you love me.